It's your girl Beauty with Mika. So you guys already know from the title, yes, your girl did buy a new bag. Now FYI, y'all already know during the hot summertime months, yes, I will carry different bags. The current bag I'm carrying is my Louis Vuitton Never Fall MM, which you guys have not. If you haven't already, definitely check out the unboxing video. I've had that bag for almost 6 years, 7 years, and still. So I've had that bag for about 6 or 7 years. Now if you guys want to see me do an update on any of my luxury handbags or any bags that I have shown you guys, definitely leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely give you guys updates on wear, tear, all the details, because y'all know I don't hide anything on this channel. But yes, I did go ahead and buy the Marc Jacobs mini tote. Now yes, I have the Marc Jacobs small tote. Now what's the difference? This is the color. You guys know the small actually does fit a laptop. Okay, so I had to zoom out because I was like, I gotta show y'all some stuff. So the small does fit a laptop, which I do love. This is definitely big. So when I purchased this, I was like, you look too big. And to have it on as a crossbody, I was like, girl, my shoulders was not working. So, but this is overall good. I do like it. But your girl had to get some common sense in her, and I was like, I need to try the small because I don't carry a lot of things in my bag anymore. You guys know the twins are 5 years old, so I don't need to be carrying sippy cups and all that good stuff. They old enough to do all that on their own. So I've realized that my bag choice has definitely changed a lot, and I've gotten rid of a lot of my large handbags, and I only keep a selective few. So with that, I went on to purchase this one. They have come out with so many styles. I wanted to wait closer to the fall time to see if they were going to come out with any styles that I loved. Now on the Marc Jacobs website, they do have different styles and assortments and colors and leather, and I was like, I don't need a leather bag. The trick to this one is that a lot of people have said that it gets a lot of dust. You guys know a lot of my fabric handbags, I do a clear Scotch Guard. It does not mess up the bag. It doesn't mess up the warranty or anything. But definitely on these, I have my husband do 2 coats of clear Scotch Guard, which I will post the link to the Scotch Guard that I use down below. It's just a regular like camper Scotch Guard. I spray my shoes. Girl, I ain't never had no issues with the Scotch Guard. And it was actually my husband's idea when he suggested that, because he was like, you spending all this money on these bags, your Coach, your Michael Kors, and they get dirty so quick, let me Scotch Guard them. So when I thought about it, I was like, Scotch Guard? I'm like, why? He was like, the bags get dirty through wear and tear, you're putting them down, stuff like that, which makes a lot of sense. So for the price that I'm spending, I was like, okay, Scotch Guard, girl, I ain't had no issue since he started Scotch Guarding. So with this one, I did have him Scotch Guard this bag. We've done 2 clear coats of Scotch Guard. Definitely spray it outside, let it air dry, and it's been good. You can see it. I haven't used this bag yet because obviously I wanted to give you guys a review on it, but I'm definitely excited. I did stuff it with newspaper, as you guys will see from the video. I did some mod shots, but overall I think this is a really good bag. It's a canvas bag. I don't really see myself having any issues. I really see myself holding this long term. The quality on the Marc Jacobs bags are really good. Now I do have the small one. I'm not going to get rid of this one because one of the things that I do like is that it's multi-use. So I was able to fit my laptop, my work stuff. So when I did, or whenever I was going to office, I was like, this is cool. I throw everything in this and just go on. Girl, fits iPads. My MacBook is a MacBook 13-inch, and I have the iPad Pro. So this is definitely good. If you want something durable and you just want a quick change, throw it in the bag. This is one of those. And then the mini is definitely just a on-the-go bag, and it's not too big, it's not too bulky, it's just enough, and it does what it's supposed to do. So I wanted to come on and show you guys an unboxing to show you guys what I thought and let you guys see it. I purchased my bag at Nordstrom's. It was $150. I did use my Nordstrom's rewards because y'all know from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, your girl had a couple of rewards. So yeah, I will say this is probably not going to be the last handbag video that I will do this year. I am looking at a luxury piece, but I'm trying to definitely ensure that I accomplish some goals before I definitely purchase another expensive luxury handbag. So with that, this is just, I was like, I need a fall handbag. I need something that I could put over on crossbody, and if I'm out, whenever I do go out, because you guys know I work from home, that I was like, I just want something that's going to be lightweight, easy carry, because the small just wasn't doing it for me. So yeah, that is it. Let me know what you guys think. Short and sweet. You guys know I will definitely give you follow-ups, let you guys see it. If you are not following me on Instagram, definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram and all my social media links to keep in contact with me when you don't see me on here. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for joining. If you have not, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell button, because you never know when I'm popping out a video. Till then, I hope you guys are having a blessed 2021 and stay safe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.